Good morning. Welcome to Almus Market Morning. Global stock markets continue their weakening trend led by US market. Particularly the tech sector has been losing everywhere as the financial conditions tighten. And this sector has been a beneficiary of easy money policy all these years. Nasdaq actually has lost more than 10%, and now it's clearly in a corrective territory, and we may see losses up to 20%. Other markets are also losing, but not to the same extent. This trend can continue for the next 2-3 days until Fed meeting outcome is out. Dollar is also having a divergent performance. It's strong against Euro and GBP. Against the yen, it is weak because of the risk-off sentiment. Against the commodity currencies, it is neutral, while against the EMs, it is neutral to strong. So this is because of the risk-off sentiment not getting too deep in such a way that investors have to pull money out of all the markets. But if it does become deeper, if Fed gets more hawkish, that is a possibility that we can contend with. We should also remember that many economies are actually doing well, except for the threat of Fed rate hikes. So investors look to be inclined to maintain their investments in these economies. That's the reason why dollar has been performing in a mixed way. USD-INR, as we have been saying, it is beset with conflicting forces of strong inflows from corporates. At the same time, there has been FII outflow from the stock market, and it's clearly for January we are having nearly 600 to 700 million of net outflow from the markets. Also, we are seeing good support from RBI at the lows. I think we have, apart from the Fed meeting on Wednesday, whose outcome we will react to only on Thursday. We also have the budget, and possibly budget will contain more proposals to incentivize investments from the private sector. These will keep rupee weakness also in check. So for the week, I'm putting my expected range at 74.10 to 74.80. Thank you.
Thank you. I will start with crypto today. No, crypto assets fell last week and continued on a weekend as well. Bitcoin, the most famous crypto, fell more than 50% from its highest price of $6,900. Now currently dealing at $35,000. Similarly, the second famous Ethereum, also more than 50% and now dealing at 2,438. The reasons can be quoted. Fall is actions from Fed of a higher rates, fall in technology stocks. Last few months, stocks have fallen, and statement of a SEC chairman that they are now looking and focusing on how to regulate cryptos. Crude oil prices are higher today morning, and Brent and WTI both are dealing at 88.5 and 86 respectively. Now, again, the regions can be quoted here is geopolitical tension and OPEC inability to raise output. There is a FOMC meeting this week, and output would be announced on Wednesday. We expect the 10-year USD yield likely to deal within the range of 1.72 to 1.82 before the outcome, and US 2-year yield between 0.98 to 1.08. Today morning, Asian currencies are mostly neutral and range bound, except yuan, which is stronger by 0.3% to 6.333. Indian 10-year GSEC yield closed at 62, 1 BPS higher than the Thursday closing, most likely to be in the range of 660 to 65 before FOMC outcome. Thank you. Have a nice day.